Okay, states of matter. Today we discuss in state of matter about solid, liquid and gas. Matter, you take the example table, liquid and air we breathe. The shape of all these three examples are same or having same sides? The answer is no. The table is in solid state, water is in liquid state and air is in gaseous state. Hence, solid, liquid and gases are three states of matter. Let us learn in detail about the state of matter. So, how will you identify matter is solid or liquid or in gaseous state? First, we take solid state. Solid state has definite shape, distinct boundary, and fixed volume. Solid do not have vacant space between the particles, hence they are very less compressible. Solid are rigid, it maintain their shape. If it is exert external force on solid, it will break. It cannot change the shape of a particular matter. Then it is a solid. For that, we can perform activity. Activity number 1, which is given in your textbook. You refer it. Second example is liquid state. Liquid do not have definite shape but have fixed volume as compared to solid. Compressibility factor in liquid is less. Liquids have ability to change the shape with respect to container, hence they are not rigid. Liquids are also known as fluid. For that also you can refer activity number 2 of your textbook. Third state is the gaseous state. Gaseous state have no definite shape, no fixed volume. Okay, volume of gases change with respect to the container. Gases are highly compressible. Why? Because there is large vacant space between the molecules as compared to solid and liquid. Best example of compressibility gas is LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, in our houses used for cooking purpose. Gas is compressed to liquid and stored in cooking cylinder. Gases does not possess rigidity as compared to solid and liquid. Okay, activity 3 in your book is it related with the gases. Now we discuss the various other property. First one is the diffusion in terms of solid, liquid and gaseous state. Rate of diffusion of liquid is higher than that of solid because liquid has more vacant space as compared to solid and can move in whole container which is poured. Rate of diffusion in gas is very high as compared to liquid as well as solid. Here also same reason, the gas particles, the vacant space between the two particles is very high. Because of this it has a higher kinetic energy, means moves here and there in a particular container, hence diffusion rate is fast. Next property is the pressure. Pressure means pressure per unit square area. This particle when it move, it will strike the wall, and because of this collision pressure is exerted. So if you define pressure, means pressure exerted by gas is nothing but a force exerted by gas on particle per unit square area on the wall of the container. Okay, thank you.